Bertemu kembali, tidak mahu makan dan beri rasuah. Itulah formula calon kategori teknologi Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2010, Dr. Nehemiah Lee dalam perniagaannya. Berbekalkan pegangan agama yang kukuh, Dr. Nehemiah percaya kejujuran boleh membawa usahawan pergi jauh.
Dr. Nehemiah menyatakan syarikatnya, Nehemiah, dibuka ketika beliau berumur 40 tahun selepas memikirkan tentang hala tuju keriernya. Antara pendekatan yang diambil oleh beliau termasuk tidak mahu berkompromi ketika berurus niaga.
It begins when I was at the age of 40, what people call midlife crisis, when I realized that I might be already past my halfway mark if I live to 70 or 80 years, and I want to in fact I had to decide whether I want to continue as climb my corporate ladder as a corporate man or start my own business, because that decision will decide what is going to happen in the next 20-30 years. And I felt that I want to do something significant. So one way to do something significant will be to start a business whereby I don't compromise on the issues of ethics. I want to conduct business with integrity, which I felt quite strongly about it because I have experience in the construction industry where it's not uncommon that bribery is sometimes the way to get things done or to get projects or get payment and things like that. And I am somehow, although I don't agree to it, but somehow being part of an organization, sometimes I felt I'm in a way compromising my Christian calling beliefs when some of these things happening within the organization. So I want to be in a company where I'm in charge, where nobody overrule my decision. I can make all the decision, and from the day one I started with my partner Eugene, we agree say that okay, we will not compromise.
Beliau tidak menolak wujud situasi di mana kerana tidak memberi rasuah, projek terlepas dan bayaran lambat diterima. Menurutnya, kegiatan rasuah mewujudkan satu penyakit dalam industri pembinaan ketika ini.
Well, the reward, amazingly actually, people wonder how we survive, especially the earlier years. We lost project because we don't pay bribe. You see, bribery is resulted in unlevel playing field. You see, bribery is defined as abuse of entrusted power for personal gain. So the guy who received the bribe, he will not be fair. We lost job, but thankfully somehow by God's grace it compensated. We get some other jobs. In fact, sometimes the job we lost turned out to be actually a bad job. We got it because of bad paymaster or a lot of problem with the job. So the first 5 years or so, our financial situation is very tight. It's like hand to mouth, yeah. But over the years, we have, in fact, we are profitable every year except the first year operation.
Beliau menambah, isu yang besar yang harus dilihat kini adalah kejujuran dan ketulusan dalam menjalankan perniagaan. Dr. Nehemiah menyatakan dalam industri pembinaan di mana nyawa orang awam adalah menjadi pertaruhan, isu kejujuran tidak boleh dipandang enteng.
It's not just bribery issue. We must deliver projects, walls that can withstand even the very severe loading condition. We design lifespan 120 years, and we make sure it lasts 120 years, not just can last for 10-20 years. Because like you say, these are public are using, let's say, the flyover, the interchanges, the highways, the lives are at stake. So when let's say we compromise in one area, then our engineering profession also there's a tendency to give in as well, to give substandard performance of the projects or the structures. So that also we will not compromise in terms of the design and construction. We want to follow the procedure, follow the specification, ensure that what we build is durable, and what the client paid for, they receive what they are paid for. So if we don't bribe, we don't have to factor in that as a cost. Then we are very competitive in terms of pricing. And secondly, since we cannot rely on this unethical means to get projects, for example, we really have to be lean and mean, in the sense that we have to be very tight control on our costs. We have to work very hard. We have to be very responsive to customers, so that we win the project, but in an honest way. And when we win the project, when we are successful, actually our team, our staff also feel very proud. I have something like 60% of my staff are Muslims. When we win project in this way, when we earn honest living, they are very proud. They said, at least our means of living is halal. I believe in Islamic principle also. You believe that you to be honest, no bribery and all that. So they feel proud to be associated with the company, to work in a company where the earning is clean money.
Bergerak ke hadapan, beliau berharap industri pembinaan di negara ini mampu mengubah cara perniagaan dilakukan dan kontrak diperolehi sedikit demi sedikit. Menurut beliau, hanya dengan cara ini keadilan dalam perniagaan dan pembangunan ekonomi dapat dinikmati semua.
So hopefully I can encourage some other young entrepreneurs, especially want to enter into the business, who do likewise. And if there are more and more of us are doing this, then I think you can transform the whole nation, and the country will be a far better country to live in, because corruption actually distorts the market. It is equivalent to injustice. Yeah, because it's not a level playing field. The guy who bribed has an advantage. Yeah, it's not fair. And the guy who do an honest job cannot get a job. Yeah. So if there are more of us are doing this, doing the honest way, I think Malaysian society has fantastic potential. So a lovely country, Malaysia.
Syarikat dan produk keluaran Nehemiah telah turut menerima pelbagai anugerah lain dan mempunyai projek di India dan Singapura. Dr. Nehemiah turut bertugas sebagai penasihat industri Universiti Tunku Abdul Rahman Yuta dan ahli panel penasihat industri Inti University.
Pada laporan interim Hari Bisnes Awni Plus minggu ini, perancangan hantarkan ke email seperti yang tertera. Saya Syafizan Johari. Assalamualaikum. Selamat.